Hello, it's Keroy here reading from Divine Soul Whispers. Today I'll read Love Will Always Find a Way. There is no need to manipulate for love. Help love out when you think it's stuck. Can't find you or can't find its way to someone's heart. Love, by its very nature, is a consuming fire, activating everything it touches. Love will always find a way to your heart and bloom beyond proportions when it gets there. Love will always find a home in me, in you, and in all. Love will always find a way. Oh, I love that poem so much. It almost gives us the freedom of not trying to push or pursue when it comes to things of love and of the heart, because love is a force, it's an energy, it has a power and strength, meaning it will find its way, whichever, it will create ways to get into our hearts. As always, it's Keroy. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.